Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to design a menu template for the POS. This is where you can customize what the cashier see on the POS screen, such as department button, speed keys, food menus, or any custom menu you want to create. To begin, go to the store, then open POS Setup, or you could use the Smart Search instead. Once there, you're going to click on POS Template. Once you are on the POS Template screen, this is where we will create and design the POS menu. Before adding buttons, we first need to create the menu templates. Think of each menu template as a page on the POS. For example, you can create main menu, departments, speed keys, food items, tobacco, or any other menu you need for your store. Now to create a new menu, click Add Menu Template. Enter the menu name. I'll start by creating the main menu. So I'll enter main menu and then click save. Now I'll repeat the same process and create the other menus that I need. For example, I'll create speed keys, then save it. Then I'll create the food items, which I'm going to name as pizza, and save that as well. You can create as many menu templates as needed, depending on how you want your POS screen to be organized. Once the menu templates are created, select Main Menu from the default menu template dropdown. The main menu is the first screen your cashiers will use on the POS. Now we will start adding buttons to the main menu. To add a button, click the plus sign. The Add Button window will open. From here, you can choose what type of button you want to add. For example, you can add a menu, submenu, set item, department, department specific items, sub-department, all departments, PLU group, or a command button. If you want the POS to show all departments, select all departments in the button type. This will create one button that displays all departments that are enabled to show on the POS. You can also set the button title and if needed, add an image or icon to make it easier for the cashier to identify. Once done, click Save. Now let's add the Speed Keys menu. Speed keys are used for quick access to commonly sold items. First, make sure you created the Speed Keys menu template. Then select the main menu again, click the plus sign and choose submenu as the button type. For the menu template, select Speed Keys. This will create a Speed Key button on the main menu. Now select Speed Keys from the default menu template dropdown. This opens the Speed Keys menu page. Click the plus sign to add an item. For the button type, I'm going to select Set Item. Then choose the items you want to add in. You can also update the title and add an image or icon for the item. Repeat this process for any other items you want to add to the Speed Keys menu. Next, let's create a menu for a specific food group, like pizza. First, make sure the pizza menu template has already been created. And make sure you already have a sub-department created for the food group. Then go back to the main menu, click the plus sign, and select sub-department as the button type. Choose the pizza menu template, and now the pizza button will show on the main menu. Now select pizza from the default menu template dropdown. This opens the pizza menu page. There are a few ways to add items here. You can add individual items using set item, or you could use a sub-department if the items are already grouped under a sub-department. For example, if you want all pizza items to show under one button, first go to the product page and make sure the items are assigned to the correct sub-department, such as pizza sub. Once the items are part of the sub-department, come back to the POS template screen, click the plus sign, choose sub-department as a button type, and select the sub-department you want to use. In this example, I'll be selecting pizza sub. This will create a button that displays all items connected to that sub-department. The benefit of this is that you add or remove items from that sub-department later, the POS menu will update based on that setup. You can also use department items if you want to show items from one specific department. For this, choose department items as a button type, then select the department. This is useful when you want the cashier to open one department and see only the items connected to that department. When adding or editing any button, you can also add an image or an icon. This is optional, but it is recommended because it makes the POS easier and faster for cashiers' use. For example, you can add a pizza image for the pizza button or a product image for a speed key item. Once all your menu buttons are created, go back to the top, select the main menu you want to use from the default menu template dropdown. Select your theme, then enter the template name. After that, click Save. This will save the POS menu design. Once the menu template is saved, go back to the POS Setup page. Click the settings on your register and then select the design template from the dropdown to assign the customized template to use that for the POS setup. Now, once you go to the POS, go to the settings and click Manual Sync. After syncing, you will see the menu buttons you created, such as all departments, pizzas, speed keys, and any other menu added. Now, when the cashier clicks on one of these buttons, the related items or menus will open. And that's how you design a POS menu template. The main thing to remember is first, create your menu templates. Second, add the buttons inside each menu. Third, connect those menus back to the main menu. And finally, save the full POS template and update the POS. This help keeps the register organized and makes checkout faster for your cashiers.